Okay, well, mostly cloudy day for us. We did see some sun at the end, but also those numbers were cooler. We saw highs only in the lower 60s for a lot of the region. Heading on into the night, we'll be dipping down into the 40s for our lows, and that was pretty similar to yesterday. High of 65, didn't quite get down into the 40s yesterday, only dropped into the lower 50s down to 50 degrees, which is only 1 degree off of where we should be. So normally, yes, we should be getting more close to that 40-degree mark, but we shouldn't be there just yet, right? And especially down into the middle 40s like where we'll be this evening. I'll discuss that a little bit later here in the segment, but today's highs, lower 60s in Marquette, 66 in Munising, at 70 in Escanaba, and more the middle 60s as you head farther north and west. And our winds coming in from the north around 14 miles per hour, 14 also in Escanaba. These shall be really winding down for us as we head on into the evening, and we'll see those fall below 5 miles per hour. Yeah, a bit chilly for the evening as we'll notice those numbers down into the middle 40s, but tomorrow we'll stay high and dry. More of that sunshine back into place. Highs for a decent amount of us do return back into the 70s, and we'll see more of that warm up later on into the week, but or going on into the weekend, but it looks like at least for the overnight, more of the 40s by tomorrow evening. A look at our setup, high pressure now taking over. That's what really helped to push all those clouds that we had in place earlier today out of here. We'll see high pressure move off towards the south and to the east, heading on into tomorrow, and that will start to bring us more of a southeasterly flow as you have a clockwise motion around high pressure, bringing more of that northeasterly flow or northwesterly flow going back towards New York. But while it wraps around, it'll bring us more of a southeasterly flow, and that will help things warm up marginally into the day on Friday. And as the jet stream continues to work its way northward, that will allow more and more of that warmth to come in for us. So by the end of the weekend, we could be back into the upper 70s, and Labor Day itself, that looks to be very nice. Maybe a few clouds around, but expecting temperatures to be in the upper 70s. Now, looking at your FUTURECAST model, tonight very quiet, mostly clear skies across the area. Lots of sunshine on the way forwards, heading on into the afternoon on Friday to end off the work week. Mostly clear tomorrow night, but also seeing a few more clouds, and we'll notice a few more of those clouds heading on into the weekend. More of a mix of sun and clouds by Sunday, but it looks like the rain does hold off towards the west over the weekend. Tonight, we'll dip down into the middle 40s, a clear and cool evening with winds that should be light. Tomorrow, abundant sunshine on the way. Winds out of the southeast between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Highs reaching the lower 70s in Lawrence at 71, 73 in Ontonagon, middle 70s now into Florence and in Iron Mountain at 71 in Escanaba. Munising will top off at 73, and here in Marquette, we'll watch out for a high of 72. The day planner, we'll see lots of sunshine throughout the day. Our numbers in the lower 70s for highs. Sunrise tomorrow morning around 7:12. And looking at the forecast over the next 7 days, yeah, pretty much dry. Not expecting rain chances to be high at all. But noticing a few more of those clouds. Not going to be quite as sunny, and also not going to see those numbers like we have seen over the past couple of days, only topping off in the 60s. We'll be watching out for more of the 70s going all the way through next Thursday, maybe even getting closer to 80 as we head into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And lows definitely during the morning beginning to rise up just a bit more. Instead of those 40s, back up to the 50s, and eventually the 60s by the beginning of next week on Sunday. So not too bad of a forecast for us. Definitely a great weekend to get out there and really enjoy yourself. You get outdoors or even have a barbecue or something, because we're going to be expecting those nice conditions. Should be pretty cool outside. Also not expecting those extreme heat conditions to be in place. So yeah, try to get out there and enjoy it tonight. Yes, it will be cool. Maybe a light jacket needed by tomorrow morning, but afterwards starting to warm up into the weekend.